Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about the best strategy to separate business and personal funds on Cash App. Alright, so the best strategy to separate business and personal funds on Cash App is to establish clear boundaries from the get-go. You want to use one account strictly for business related transactions and another for personal use following Cash App's guideline. Assign a professional cash tag to the business accounts and avoid sending casual transfers through it. You want to record every business payment with clear notes describing the transaction purpose, and do not pay personal expenses directly from the business funds, as this complicates tracking and tax reporting. Regularly transfer business incomes to a separate bank account to maintain clarity. Clean separation protects your account from reviews. It also simplifies bookkeeping and makes it easier to understand your true business performance. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.